This 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is offered by Bottom Motors LLC. Price at $7,995. This Silverado 1500 is ready to sell. This 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has just over 168,293 miles. Call us at 985-707-1111 or stop by our lot. Find us at 400 Garrett Rd Building Building in Slidell, Louisiana, on our website, or check us out on carsforsale.com.